Ek begin weer stap. I start walking again. Maar ek raak weer onseker. But I get unsure again. Ek sien 'n vrou by 'n bushalte. I see a woman at a bus stop. Ek vra haar, "Hallo, ek is op pad na Bean and Brew." I ask her, "Hello, I'm on my way to Bean and Brew."
Ja, jy is amper daar.
Yes, you're almost there.
Loop nog net 1 blok verder.
Just walk one more block.
Dan sien jy dit langs die boekwinkel.
Then you'll see it next to the bookstore. Baie dankie. Thank you very much. Dit is my eerste keer in Kaapstad. It's my first time in Cape Town. Ek ken nie die area nie. I don't know the area. Sy lag en sê. She laughs and says,
Dis geen probleem nie.
"It's no problem.
Ons almal raak soms verlore.
We all get lost sometimes.